Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trish, and today I'm going to unbox the February 2019 Paradise Fibers box. It's here, and I'm going to tell you where I've been, but I'm going to make that part quick because most of you don't really care. You just want to see what's in here. So if you want to see what this month's fun stuff is, please keep watching. Okay, so hey guys, I did say last time that if any of you wanted to know where I've been, I would tell you. I'm gonna make it quick because I think there's probably a lot of people who are like, and that's cool. In October, there was something said to me that kind of shook my very fragile confidence, which was like almost non-existent, about making YouTube videos in general. It was not said to me on a personal level, but ever since then I felt really, I don't know what the word is, very hesitant to come back on. But I'm here anyway. The reason why is a long story, but it's mostly due to you, Cynthia, and a little bit to you, Gail, because you were like, yeah, I care, where were you? And also, at the end of summer, our days got really short and dark here, and I suspect I had a touch of like light deprived sadness. I don't know if it would technically fall under the sad category. I've never been diagnosed. I mean, I'm a queen self-diagnoser, but I was not okay. I'm okay now. Everything's good. We're okay. But anyway, that was pretty much what was going on. I was unsure really up until today if I was gonna come back. I filmed some stuff in the middle and none of it has been uploaded, but maybe it will be. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'm just gonna take off from here. But I'm not trying to give tutorials. And I'm not trying to teach you things that I supposedly invented that's gonna make your fiber life magical. I'm really just documenting my journey, and I hope you want to document it with me and maybe share what you're doing. But if you don't, like, I get it, okay? Also, you may notice I'm getting my teeth straightened, so sorry if this is distracting, but I can't do anything about it. So in a couple months, I'll be wearing Invisalign and then it won't bother you anymore. So just like, don't look at me or something. I don't know. So let's open this, shall we? February 2019. I can't believe a whole month of 2019 is gone already. Like, what the heck? Paradise Fiber subscription box. You guys know that I think this is like the most magical subscription, well, that I've ever gotten. But in my opinion, it's gotta be the best one in the world, right? Luther, no. So I'm gonna shift the camera so you can see better, and here we go. Okay, let's do this. So the hint we got this month was like an Egyptian goddess, and it also said something about jewel tones. So I don't really know what to expect. I don't know if it's gonna be cotton. I don't know. Because Egyptian cotton kind of makes you think that, but who knows? Ready? Ooh! Oh, incense! Oh, look at, can you guys see this? Incense. I don't know what the fragrance is, but I'm sure it will say inside. I'm loving the gold tissue. So it looks like there's a special offer for club members only. And also, you guys, if you want to get this box, there will be a link below and you can sign up for the club. And it is just, I really think it's the best one. So there's some resources here listed also. And it looks like it's sock stuff. So this should be interesting. Let's see. There we go. All right, so let's see. This is, ooh, natural. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm super excited. Natural undyed sock blend in a white muslin bag. Targhee wool top, viscose, bamboo, and tussa silk. 80-10-10. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. You guys, you probably can't see, but there's like, you can see the silk in it. And what's cool about that is when you dye it, the bamboo and the silk will take different hues of the dye or different tones of the dye. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, 2 ounce total dyed viscose bamboo top in a satin bag of a corresponding color. Oh, I'm wondering, oh, okay, 2 ounce total, so I think that's both of these. By the way, you guys, I keep these bags, and I'm gonna tell you later that I used one. Look at, oh! So that's bamboo. So that's bamboo, and so is this. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, you guys, I got Valentine colors. Look at these together. Wow, 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 wow. And then it says two handmade. I can read. I'm guessing they're in here. Okay. 2 handmade Egyptian gemstone stitch markers, amethyst and jasper. That's fun. 1 Egyptian chamomile tea, 1 limited edition sticker, and 1 magnet. Oh, that's fun. And oh, okay, so the incense is frankincense and myrrh. I thought I could smell myrrh, but I don't have good confidence in that. So here's my tea. I'm gonna take out these stitch markers, you guys, so you can really see them. Oh gosh, they're so pretty. So this would be the amethyst. There we go. Isn't that pretty? And then here's the jasper. Jasper has a special place in this family's heart for a couple different reasons. And then here is my sticker. Look at the mummy, you guys. Egyptian mummy. And then look at that Egyptian sheep goddess magnet. I don't know where this is gonna go, but I'm guessing on my spinning table with my drum carder. Isn't that cool? I love it. So you guys, so fun this month, and I'm gonna go ahead and dye the sock blend for you, and I'm probably gonna add 1 or both of these to it. So I will be back soon. Again, if you think you want to sign up for this box, you can find the link to that down below, and I will see you guys soon.